Hi there, and welcome to the Your Site Needs Me team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our project management software, Teamwork, so that you can stay informed on what we're doing with your project. The first thing to do is make sure that you are bookmarking teamwork.yoursiteneedsme.com so that you can come back here and log in and view this anytime. You can also log in via the email updates that we send you. Additionally, you're going to receive some emails from us from Teamwork. They're going to come directly from Teamwork telling you you've been added as a follower to certain tasks. In the beginning, there may be quite a few notifications. If you don't want those notifications, just let us know and we will turn them off. Additionally, if you don't like Teamwork and you feel that this is just too complicated for you, again, let us know and we'll go ahead and remove you from Teamwork so you aren't bothered by it. And you can always request an update by emailing us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Or if you have a request for any changes, regardless of whether you do decide to stick with Teamwork or not, you can always email it to us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com, which is where you're going to send us any requests and changes. So when you first log into Teamwork, you're going to come up here and you're going to click on Projects. If you have multiple projects, you're going to see multiple ones here. In this case, I'm going to go to the Starter project and click on it. And then over here, you're going to see different tabs of the different sections of Teamwork. This is the title of your project. If you have multiple projects on the previous screen, you're going to see all of those projects. You can go to the one that you want to view information on. The overview screen is going to show you a summary of activity, things that we've done. In the beginning, these are all tasks and things that we've done prior to you getting started on your project, so this stuff will be on every single project. You can also click on Summary and you can see a summary of what's going on with your project as well. Now up here under Tasks, you're going to see the tasks that we've set up to do your site. If you are a new IDX Broker developer partner, you're just going to have the basic IDX Broker setup tasks. And if you're a brand new site, then we're going to have a lot more tasks in here, milestones as well. And you'll see these tasks in here to kind of keep you abreast of what we're doing. If you have any customizations or special requests, they're going to be under extra customizations billable or other tasks not billable. Don't worry, if a task is billable, we're going to notify you ahead of time and make sure that you approve it before we add this. Over here, you can individually view task lists if you just want to view one task list at a time. And you can view the task list report and other things here. We don't usually mess with those things too much. We usually stick to the task lists. Under milestones, you can see all of the different milestones. You can see when they're due. You can see which ones are completed and which ones aren't. You can come in here to messages and you'll see if there's any messages for you. We don't usually communicate with you here. We usually keep kind of internal messages most of the time in here. So if you do have a message for us, please email it to support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Again, we don't want you to communicate through Teamwork because these messages do come to us, but we see the support@yoursiteneedsme email a lot quicker. So it's important to send any changes or requests to support@yoursiteneedsme.com. Files, if we need anything from you, we're going to want you to update it here. So anytime that you have a photo or a document with information for us or your logo or anything else, you want to upload it into the Files section and then let us know that you did that. Under Time, if there's any time that we've logged on your site, you're going to see it in here. So whether it's billable or non-billable, you're going to see all your totals in here. Notebooks, this is one of the most important things. After you fill out your honey-do list, we're going to come in here and update all of the notebooks with the information that you've sent us. However, if you are a new project, a new website, once you fill out that honey-do list, it's going to tell us what theme you've chosen. So we're going to have a couple extra questions that we need to get information from you for, and we'll put that information in here as well, or you can put it in yourself. If you are just an IDX Broker developer partner, chances are we have everything that we need, but if not, we'll ask you for it. Updating a notebook is simple. You're going to come in here and let's say you want to add your hosting. You're going to click on the little pencil. Most of the notebooks have instructions on them, so you're just going to come in here and put your information in. This is just like a Word document. You can fill in information in here and then click on Publish as New Version. You can select the people before that you want to notify. Always select the main person on your account and at least Lisa Spampanato. That way we can make sure that we are notified by those changes for you. And then click on Update and then publish as new version. Some of our clients do put messages in the comments. However, we do encourage you to update the actual notebook and who should be notified and not put the comments in. If you do, we'll still get them, but it's helpful to have the actual information in the notebook. So I'm going to go back to our notebooks. Over here, you're going to see some categories. If anything is under the completed, then you don't need to do it. If it's under needs information, then you do. So when you check the needs information, any of these notebooks that still need information, you're going to have to fill out the notebooks in here, or your project manager will alert you via an email what they need from you, and they'll fill it in for you. Under links, you're going to find some helpful links, different things that we have put together for you on how to use IDX Broker, how to use Teamwork, different cool tools. Like if you have a Microsoft computer, the snipping tool is a really cool tool to send us changes where you can screenshot your screen and circle different things. And these are IDX Broker video tutorials straight from IDX Broker themselves. So if you have any questions about these, just let us know. But otherwise, if you want to view them, you can click on them and then click play, and it will show you the video right there. And comments we don't typically use. Again, comments are going to be something that we want to communicate with you via the email address. So this is a quick view of Teamwork. If you have any questions for us, or if you'd like me to give you a personal tour, just give us a call or shoot us an email, and we are happy to set that up for you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Yeah, pero, yeah, yeah, pull, oh, yeah, ooh, yeah, ah, ooh.